Yo, listen up. And I'm just gonna say this once. You do your research. Look, we gonna get straight into it. Water does not expire. Why the fuck would they tell you enjoy by May 9th, 2021? Water don't fucking expire. It's supposed to be real water. H2O is not real water. It's fake. Feel me? The real water, they confiscated. If they was, look at it like this. If they had a cure for water, that's good water, it will be banned off the planet. This is nothing purified. This is not 9.5 H higher. This is fluoride water that you put in your body. Look, ain't nothing better about this water. Look at this shit. Look at the sign. Now we gonna get straight to the facts, okay? First of all, water not supposed to have ingredients in it. Purified water by reverse osmosis. Why the fuck? Look, BPA fluoride. Yo, it's fucking telling you they putting fluoride in your fucking water. Stop fucking drinking this shit. It's controlling you. Got fucking parasites in this fucking water. Do not drink this fucking water. You hear me? Do not drink this shit. Choking hazard. It's causing cancer in your throat. That's why it's causing the choking hazard. Open your third eye. Stop drinking this shit, okay? It's killing you. It tells you, yo, look, it's telling you right here, BPA, fluoride, and chlorophyll. There's nothing alkaline about this fucking water. If it's fluoride in it, there's nothing alkaline about this water if it got ingredients in it. And there's nothing alkaline about this water if it got nutrient facts on this shit. This shit not supposed to have it on here. It got an expiration date on here also. Like, for real. And they lying about where this shit is from. They making this shit in the lab to kill you and destroy you and bring you a reincarnation. Open your fucking third eye.